This is my new setup. I've got a second stepper generator now. I've got both of them tied together, running our radio and our lights. Now, watch this. I'm running through a current limiting resistor now. Lights are a little bit on the dim side. But if I bypass the resistor, look at that. Look at the load it puts on the engine. So that's the problem I was having before with running everything. You really need a current limiting resistor in your LED circuit. I've also got a pressure gauge from Jensen in lieu of a whistle. As you can see, the engine maintains about 10 psi. Alright, let's have some fun.